Why, Bob?
Well, son, people see things differently in different parts of the world. Now, on Ireland, they have a lot of old-fashioned customs, like a father being able to give away his daughter in marriage without consulting her first.
What?
I guess it's a man's world.
Just the same, I wouldn't want to marry a girl who didn't want to marry me.
Well, there's more to lose decision than that, son. You believe in paying off your debts?
Yeah?
Well, old Flaherty did a lot for Lou and her family.
Marrying someone because you owe them. Is that why you and Ma got married?
Of course not, son. We were in love. We wanted to be together. And we were, as long as God let us.
Well, with Lou and Mr. O'Flaherty, it's more of a business deal than a marriage, isn't it?
It's not a business deal, son. There's still two people getting married. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying whether it's right or wrong. I'm just saying it's the custom of her country. Does that satisfy you?
Sure, if it satisfies you.
The hell did you eat?
My God. What brings you to town? Dennis O'Flaherty. What do you make of him?
Well, I'm not so sure.
No opinion at all?
Well, he does have an Irish with a glib tongue, and the man has charm. There's no denying it.
Only what?
Well, something tells me when St. Patrick drove the snakes from Ireland, he may have overlooked one or two.
Yeah.
Dennis, I want to talk to you.
I'm so glad to. You know, that's my favorite pastime, talking to a beautiful woman. Sit down, sit down.
Do you know how much money you spent in the past few days?
Oh, no, darling, that should be no concern of yours at all. In my family, it's the man that does all the worrying about the money.
Desk
Hard
kicks.
work, sweat, and pain went into what I have. And I'm not going to stand by and see you waste it
That's
away.
an ultimate move.
You haven't been gone so long that you should take that time with me.
Oh, you're mistaken, Dennis. I have been gone that long. But that hasn't changed me. One of the reasons I left your village was that I couldn't see myself like the other women, becoming a drudge to the winds with our husbands.
Now, you just can't understand. It's the man that heads the house and makes the rules. Now, if I want to make you a queen, then it's a queen you're going to be. But if I want you to be a drudge, well, hold on, let's not have any more silly talk, huh?
Can't you look at me and see that I'm no longer the little girl you can frighten with your threats and your bullying?
I can see that you're still a child of your father's. Beautiful and radiant, but willful. Forgetful of her promises. Oh, don't worry, darling. Don't worry. You come around to my ways again in the end. Oh, darling, I still want to be kind and gentle to you as I was when you were a girl in Ireland. I can be if you let me. But when you don't show full appreciation for what I did for your family, oh, it makes me so sad. Now, promise me, darling, promise me that you'll forget all about money and bills and things like that, because don't you see, what's yours is mine. And what's good for me is good for you. Now, promise me that, huh? No. First of all, give me your answer.
Leave her alone.
Now, who have we got here? Oh, Lou, it's my old friend, the bartender.
I will fight you.
I'm sorry, darling, what did you say?
I won't fight you.
Oh, that's a wise decision, a very wise decision indeed. You see, I told you. You'd see it my way in the end. I knew that you'd remember our agreement.
This Rifleman episode is about some guy wanted to marry an 8-year-old, which is obviously not gonna happen. How dare he even suggest it? He's also, of course, like a complete villain. If you won't fuck me, I'll just take your entire farm.
Yeah, one of the big things we hear from homeowners is I shouldn't need
Real pedophiles like me are
not that old.
not very concerned about farms, just so you know.
Bathrooms, and low
Give a shit less about taking your money or your
so even
farm.
if your windows are only 7
We'll
to
take
10
your
years
pussy
old,
though, right? Huh? Rah.
well, besides being the full-service replacement window division of Anderson, we're the company people tend to call when they're particular about their home. They don't want just any old window or any old install.
So your standards for installers are pretty high, right?
Yeah, Brian, you can have the best window or door in the world. If it's not installed correctly, it's going to fail. So So we don't hire these jack-of-all-trades installers that do gutters and siding on the side. Our window installation teams do our windows year in, year out, and have done thousands of them.
Anytime a homeowner has to deal with multiple home improvement companies, they get stuck in the blame game.
Yeah, with other companies, if there's an issue, the manufacturer blames the installer blames the manufacturer. With us, there's no finger pointing or blaming each other. We're both the installer and the manufacturer.
Ted, is it easy for a homeowner to get a price?
Very easy. We'll come out to your house, we'll assess your current patio door and windows, and then we'll give you an exact price.
This is why none of his guitars work.
Ted, that's great information.